pansin sa iyong mga kapaligiran. Kay dumi na ng hangin, pati na ang mga ilog natin.
Hindi nga masama ang pag-unlad, at malayo-layo na rin ang ating narating. Ngunit masdan mo ang tubig sa dagat, dati kulay asul, ngayon'y naging itim. Ang mga duming ating ikinalat sa hangin, sa langit, huwag na nating paabutin. Upang kung tayo'y pumanaw man sa sariwang hangin, sa langit natin matitikman. Mayroon lang akong hinihiling, sa aking pagpanaw sana ay tag-ulan. Gitara ko ay aking dadalhin, upang sa ulap na lang tayo magkantahan.
Return to a land called Paraiso, a place where a dying river ends. No birds there fly over Paraiso, no space allows them to endure the smoke that screens the air, the grass that's never there. And if I could see a single bird, what a joy. I tried to write some words and create a simple song to be heard by the rest of the world. I lived in this land called Paraiso, in the house made of cardboard floors and walls. I learned to be free in Paraiso, free to blame anything I see. Matching rags for my clothes, plastic bags for the cold, and if empty cans were all I have, what a joy. I never fight to take someone else's coins and live with fear like the rest of the boys. Paraiso, help me make a stand. Paraiso, take me by the hand. Paraiso, make the world understand that if I could see a single bird, what a joy this time. of the world.